Hi, Vieira with stockmarketlive.tv. Today I'm going to briefly describe the investment process in Valeant. We have a young rating on Valeant. The company recently announced earnings, and ahead of earnings we remained bearish Valeant. We have been bearish Valeant for years. We downgraded this stock to strong sell at a price of $127. We downgraded Valeant to junk at a price of $95 to $98. You have to refer to the article on the live blog of the company, where I recommend to double the size of short positions betting on Valeant stock crash. In fact, the only investor in the world betting on Valeant stock crash all the way down to current prices. My price target on Valeant has not been accomplished or hit or reached, therefore we remain bearish Valeant. It is one of the most stupid questions among investors: where is the bottom in Valeant? I already referred to in more than 50 articles on the blog of the company that you have been wasting your time trying to predict where the bottom is in Valeant. Moreover, we responded to investor questions on the website tradingview.com, being very clear: do not invest in this company. The debt of this company is higher than the entire market cap of the company itself. Therefore, only an idiot would invest in Valeant. It is simple. It has been an undeniable fact, at least for the past couple of years. The fact is that most investors and traders, they missed one of the lifetime investment opportunities in the markets, precisely betting in the collapse of Valeant, along with many other stocks that I discussed here in real time. I'm referring to the case of GoPro or Fitbit or Umbrella. You have plenty of them, examples and complementary live market calls on the website of the company. Therefore, quite frankly, I'm very happy if you are losing or if you ever lost money in Valeant, since the articles and the blog of the company, they remained bearish, and we said Valeant remains one of the best historical selling short opportunities in the market, where you have been wasting your time trying to figure out the bottom. For more information, refer to my recent course in live technical analysis, where I also address these kind of companies. Valeant is a speculative stock. You don't invest in speculative companies or speculative stocks other than to sell short down to single digits, as it happened with the case of Fitbit, GoPro, and so on. In fact, in every single case, Zynga, GoPro, blah blah blah, Research in Motion, which today is BlackBerry, all of them, they go down to single digits. It is an undeniable fact for the past 30 years, my friends. You lost a lifetime investment opportunity to become a multi-millionaire selling short one of the greatest scams ever in the markets. Bear in mind that there is no Wall Street analyst that ever has been proven right about Valeant, including those that they were bearish at some point Valeant. They all quit the short side. They all upgraded Valeant. I refer to this fact last year in 2016, when you had an investment firm, Morgan Stanley, upgrading Valeant to strong buy at precisely or ahead or of a meltdown. Therefore, the only thing that you have to do is to continue opening your accounts in Goldman Sachs, in Morgan Stanley, and so on, and to go bankrupt, and you fully deserve. And congratulations. All right? Thank you.